Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your computer teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard 9th. Now, objective of today's practical is today we are going to see linking of web pages. Today we will see how to link one web page to another. That means how to open another web page from one web page. And for that the software requirements are as usual. For Windows we are going to use notepad file, and to view the output we are going to use the web browser like Edge web browser I'm using. You can use any other web browser, and for Android mobile you can use the notepad++ app. Now, what is linking of web pages? When we open one web page from another web page, it is called linking of web pages. And to create this link, we have to use the anchor tag which is used by a tag, that is we are going to use. And for that the syntax we are going to use is ahref is equal to, here any web page name will be there. It is not webpage.html. The whatever the name we are giving to the HTML file, that we have to write here. And here some text will do like click this web page, or any other text we reference that we will learn more when we do the practicals. And this is the a and /a, which is the anchor tag. Now we will learn more regarding this when I will complete the practical. So for this we require at least 2 web pages. Let's open our notepad file. Now I am typing the first web page which we are going to link. So this is the first web page, HTML. Head and here body tag. So in this we are going to use the paragraph tag align, which is in the line we are giving the center here. Then B for bold we are using here and giving heading thought of the day. Let's type in capitals, thought of the day. It is bold, and then close the P tag. So this is the paragraph tag we are using, and which is alignment is center with B for bold and thought of the day, that is the heading. Now again we will use paragraph, so that we will move to another web page. Here alignment will be justify because it's a paragraph. There's so many alignments we have studied before also. Each little one paragraph you have to type here. It will take whatever the web page size or screen size will take. It will, in my screen this image is coming. Not necessarily it will come in the second line for you. It depends upon the screen size of your computer. This is the paragraph I'm typing from page number 57 of your book. And eventually be forgotten. So this is the paragraph which is there in your book. This full paragraph is there, 3 lines are there, so this much I have typed here. Now after that, one more paragraph we are going to use, in which the alignment is in the right side. And there it is, B tag, a bold. Here it is in keeps team. Okay, then one more P align center. Here it is used. In that we have to use always remember. One thought it is used here. It is used BR tag. Then bold. God help those who help themselves. Of course, here slash L will come. Here also slash will come because we are closing the bold tag. We are closing the P tag. So this P which we started here. So there are total 4 paragraph tags we have used. And then we'll close the body tag. And /HTML. Now we will save this web page. Now in the book it is given you have to save this by click.html. So that name only I am giving here, click.html. Remember, name is very important here, and it is where you are saved. That is say in desktop because folder is also important. I am saving on the desktop, click.html. So this click, now this I will not open and check here, it is already here, but this I will not check directly here, because this I have to open from the another web page. Now the web page from where this web page we have to go, click.html we want to open, that we have to type. So this much we have typed for the click.html, everything is correct, you can see. Now I will open a new file here, and in this I have to type a new web page, heading, head, title, hyperlink, example, and linking. This is a page we are going to open, and here body. This is the main web page in which we are going to use the anchor tag. So here href equal to click.html. So this is the name which we are typing. This is the name we are given to our file, click. So here click.html, and remember that both should be in the same folder. And here we are going to write a click here. I will write in capitals if you want. Click here. So this is the syntax for the this much is enough. So this is the web page here. It will save this. There you can give any name here, whatever you want, because this name here. So this I am giving as link.html, or main page also can write here link.html. So from this link.html we are going to open the click.html. So the web page we have typed first, that we are going to open from this web page. So this web page we will open always to view that. This much only is there. Let's see our pages are working or not. So first I will minimize this and I will open this. Okay, so this is the web page we have opened here. This is the main web page. Here we can give color also. Now I'm going to click here and see you are getting this one. So this web page was the first one which we had typed. If you remember, I will show directly also. Now I will close this. Now remember, this is the click.html which we had typed here, and the other one was the main web page. So here, so now let's give color to this. we'll use bg color for that. Let's open in the notepad. It already is there file. So in the body we will use here for the main page color equal to, let's give here a yellow to the main web page, and to this we'll give as pink. So now we'll understand better. I will open this one. Now here click here. Now we will go to here. So this way we are opening here. Now from this web page also we can go back to our main web page from this click HTML. That for that also we have to add here one over HTML tag here, and you can just use here a tag, and we will use here href. For that I will use here br tag, so it should come down a href, can use it capital. Now another file name is link.html, remember. So this is the link main page name is link.html, and here I can right click for main page in order to close it. So this much I written here. Now from this click.html we can go back to link.html, so I written here that. Now let's see that also. So now open over first, this is link our main web page. Now I click here, this opening web page here. Here you have to save it. Okay, let's check here once again with this link.html. Click for main web page. Now we'll save this and we will open here. Now we are going to click here, and now from here when you click for main web page, it will come back to here. So when you click this, it will go to this information page, and when you click here it will go to the main page. So this way we can link the web pages. You can see here we have type 2 web pages. First this click .html, then link.html. In the link.html we are going to use this tag ahref, and here the file name which we want to link, and here some text for clicking there, and this way we can link the two web pages. So as you can see here, once again when you click this, we will get to this page, and from when you click this it will go to the main page. So we have link these two pages. Now let's see our assignment page. So in the assignment, same, you make two web pages which I shown today's electrical and link them together. You can link more than two web pages also by using the tag in a similar fashion. So till the next practical. Thank you very much.